All right, so in order to use this, you have, before you put the tool or the drill bit, so you have to pull it like that, move it like this, and then you're going to be able to put this in place. You have to spin it until it fits, and then move it like that, and it will stay like that. It's the same way the other side.
As you can see, it says here made in Germany. Looks decent. I mean, looks like premium. So as you can see here, in one end you will see this end is the one that goes in the extension, and in the other end, as you can see here, is the drill bit. So you can leave it on all the time. That is what I do, and the other one is the one that you're going to switch the tool. So in this case, it could be the tool just to nail down the grounding rod, or if you have to make a hole, you use the drill bit, as you can see here. So basically, those are the things that you're going to use here. I see that they are offering kind of an adapter. I mean, if you want to use it with SDS plus, it doesn't make any sense. If you want to use this with this plus a huge drill bit, the SDS plus is not going to have enough strength, or horsepower to move these, to spin it. So the big machines barely moves when I'm making a hole that long on the dirt. So imagine that. So if you use a regular one, you're not going to make it. But at least maybe for something else, it might be worth it for you. But at least in my case, with the extension, is more than enough. Okay, as you can see here, here we have two pieces. So the main one, you have to pull this down, and then you twist it, so that way you can put it in this extension that you see here. And in the other side is exactly the same. You pull it down, twist it, and then you can remove this long screw. I mean, this long drill bit that you see here. This I have like 30 inches. Is one of the longest one. I think the longest one that I saw was like 46. And then once you put it in place, all you have to do is spin it, and that's it, and then it will stay. If you want to put it in place, and this is not the way it's supposed to be, it's not going to go all the way in. So that is a safety feature. So there we go. And then, so the way you don't lose your drill bit. So here, as you can see, is 1 inch, 3/8, and the length of this is 30 inches, like I said before, and it works great. The only downside is if you're going to put some water or something like that to make the hole a little bit easier, you have to clean it up very, very, very well. And then after that, you have to put some grease, so that way it's not going to get stuck. Otherwise, this is going to get stuck and you're not going to be able to remove it, or it's going to be very difficult. I don't like this design much because you don't have a grip, so the way you can twist it if that happens to you, but this is the way it is. So I am in US. If you need any tool or electronics or anything like that, just let me know. All my information is in the video description. If you have any questions, let me know as well. Otherwise, I'll try to leave in the video description the link, so the way you can buy yourself.